So what are we here to do again exactly?
We should be hugging. So today we're taking you guys back in time to one of the first projects that we completed in this house, which was tearing out the kitchen.
You can help me? See, I'm making a pile for you there.
Years of kitchen grease. Daylight through the floorboards. He's not too psyched about our demolition.
So a lot of our houses in the past, we've been able to save the cabinets, refinish them. In this case, it was just, it was too bad, it was too far gone. There was some rot. And so not only get rid of the cabinets, but even into the floors, the walls, really, you know, almost taking everything out. So let's show you what we did.
Every house we work on has a unique feature, and this one had a really unique finish on the bathroom and kitchen. I'd only really describe it as a popcorn finish. It had to go. So come take a look at this, Laura. It's like stuff full of bags and socks and some kind of caulking, some real MacGyvered insulation. I just finished the drywall on the kitchen wall here, and so a few things I just noticed around some of the insulation and some of what's behind it. So if you see right here, I pull this down, there's this nice little dirty spot right there. And you know, some people, rightfully so, call insulation kind of like the lungs of your house. This is literally dirt that's built up just because of this little groove right here, allowing airflow to travel through there. This house does have a lot of problems with air leaks to the outside, air exchange. So there's a lot of just real drafty house, but you can see here's a great example of that. And then, you know, over here like this, again, another one where just a lot of airflow moving through here, bringing dust, bringing dirt. So it just goes to show how drafty or leaky your house is. Besides finding evidence of lots of leaks and drafts, as we found before, there's also plenty of evidence of mice. So there were definitely a lot of mice droppings on the back of the drywall. You can see spots like in here. They kind of carved their way through here. Definitely some nesting going on all throughout these walls. There's a bunch of seeds right there. You know, some stuff stored away for winter time, some cavities through here. So mice have just been getting in a lot of this stuff. So between the air drafts, it's probably also a good pathway for mice getting out depending on where those holes are. So we're gonna take this all down and try to figure out how we can hopefully seal up some of these drafts, reduce the amount of highway these mice have and hopefully take care of both problems.
We found this receipt from a local pest control company stuck behind the kitchen radiator. More evidence of more pests. Who or what would have made a hole like this?
So not only did we find some knob and tube, which was expected, we also found this box that was hidden behind the wall, and that's a big no-no, so we can get rid of that.
Another cold morning, headed to the house. Do some more work. It's cleanup day.
Yeah, I've made a lot of mess in the last couple of days, so I think we need to do a little...
Yeah, I haven't been there, so we'll see what he's done. Oh yeah, this is pretty much what I expected it to be. Tools everywhere. Lots of rubble in the kitchen. Better get started on that first. You guys might have noticed that we have no more tile in the kitchen. Well, we actually did a bunch of work removing it, and we're able to uncover some 80-year-old floors. All right, back to being somewhat more in order. The organized trash is really just piling up. We've got a lot of dumpster runs.
All right, today we're in the kitchen and we're talking about this brick wall here. It's a full brick wall, it's thick, it's not just a little facade that you stick to the wall. And so originally we were thinking we wanted to keep it. The living room has a lot of wood and a lot of brick, it's kind of too dark, but the kitchen in here, it's very bright and it kind of fits the aesthetic in an older New England home, so we thought we'd like to keep it. The problem is, since it's full wall, this width and full depth brick, is it weighs on the order of 1,000 pounds, and the brick wall runs this way, the joists also run this way, and this is all sitting on a single joist. Needless to say, it sagged a lot, and that's a theme we have throughout this house. We have sagged joists, wavy floors, just problems with keeping everything flat and level. You know, they also try to put some supports under the joists, but it's just not enough. You need to put some major reinforcement down there. So, considering trying to pick the wall up and then reinforce it down below versus just getting rid of it, we decided the best thing to do is just get rid of it. It's 1,000 pounds less weight bearing down this house, and you know we'll deal without the brick accent. So today we're gonna get rid of it.
As is consistent with the rest of the house, there's birdseed behind this brick wall. How heavy is it?
Not light. That's why I have a wheelbarrow. Going uphill makes it no harder and doesn't make it any easier. So we're almost done demoing out the brick wall here in the kitchen. We did finally put a nice big piece of angle iron at the bottom of this, so we'll save that for maybe other project of ours in the future. So again, they gave themselves a nice flat surface and they spread load evenly in this direction by using that, but the joists run in the exact same direction. The joist is right under this wall here, and so that just took way too much weight for one joist, and so the floor here just kind of caves in, sags quite a bit right when you get up to this brick wall. So hopefully now we've taken the weight out of that, we'll be able to take the sag out of that joist. So there you have it. We got rid of pretty much everything in this kitchen, and now we've got a nice clean slate to start from. Now the real work begins.
Now the real work begins. So next up, we'll show you how we got rid of all the dated tile and the old linoleum to reveal the original wood floors.